Hello families, Miss Rosiska here, and I'm going to go through the alphabet right now, and I'm going to say the letter, I'm going to say the sound, and I'm going to do the hand gesture that we do in school to help us remember how to hear the sounds and say the sounds so we can become better readers. So this is great practice. Here we go. A, apple. B, ball. C, cut. D, dig. E, edge. F, fly. G, growl. H, hot. I, itch. J, jump. K, kick. L, lick. M, N, nose. O, octopus. P, poke. Q, quiet. R, run. S, snake. T, teeth. U, up. V, violin. W, waddle. X, Y, yo-yo. Z, zip. So those are the letters and the sounds and our hand gestures. Keep practicing that, and that'll help you become better readers so we can sound out words and stretch out sounds to make words and then sentences and read awesome books. Thanks, everybody.